Jury selection began Monday in Donald Trump's New York hush money case, the first ever criminal trial for a former president of the United States. The judge told prospective jurors they must be impartial and set aside any biases or personal attitudes about the defendant or the case, including political orientation. Lawyers from both sides will seek to uncover biases and possible political agendas before impaneling 12 jurors and 6 alternates. That jury will hear what could be the only criminal case that Trump, the 2024 Republican candidate for president, faces before the November 5th election. Jury selection is expected to take about a week, and former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani said it will be a challenge.
Everyone in this country has an opinion of the former president. Some think he's a criminal and an insurrectionist. Others think he's a hero who's being treated unfairly and railroaded by our criminal justice system. To find 12 who can put those feelings aside and come into this courtroom and decide the case solely on the facts and evidence in this case is no easy task.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, a Democrat, charged Trump with falsifying records to cover up a $130,000 payment in the waning days of the 2016 presidential campaign to buy the silence of porn star Stormy Daniels about a 2006 sexual encounter she has said they had. Trump has denied any such relationship with Daniels and has pleaded not guilty. He denounced the trial before entering the courtroom.
This is political persecution. This is a persecution like never before. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. And again, it's a case that should have never been brought.
A guilty verdict would not bar Trump from office, but half of independent voters and 1 in 4 Republicans said they would not vote for him if he were convicted, according to a Reuters Ipsos poll. Falsifying business records in New York is a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison, though many of those found guilty have been sentenced to fines or probation. Prior to the start of jury selection, prosecutors asked the judge to fine Trump and remind him he could go to jail for violating a gag order that bars him from interfering with potential witnesses. The judge set a hearing for next week on the request and gave Trump's lawyers until this Friday to submit a written response.